For my explainer video, I would be doing problem 3, part B from the conservation of energy homework. A student pushes a baseball of M equals 0.11 kilograms down onto the top of a vertical spring that has its lower end fixed to a table, compressing the spring a distance of A equals 0.16 meters. The spring constant of the spring is K equals 510 Newton meters. Let the gravitational potential energy be 0 at the position of the baseball in the compressed spring. So here I have a little picture drawn of what's going on in this whole scenario, the baseball being pushed down and then released and then it going in the air. And then we have problem B, which is what is the max height h in meters the ball will reach. And so in order to do this, the first thing we need to do is solve for the velocity. And doing that, we take our spring constant, we multiply that by our distance squared, and then we divide that by our mass, and we take the square root of that. So we'll take 510, take that times 0.16 squared, divided by 0.11, and then we take the square root of that. When doing this, we figure out that our velocity is 10.89 meters per second. So now that we have that, we can go on to solving for our h, which is our max height that can be found. So when doing this, we take 10.89 squared. We divide that by 2 times 9.8, which is our gravitational acceleration. And then we subtract that from d, which is 0.16. And when doing that, and after doing that, we figure out that the max height that can be reached is 5.94 meters per second. Oh shit,